Get him.
What are you two doing?
I cannot get any plumbing work done with kittens. Look at these two.
Gentle Bentley.
What are you doing?
That's what you get.
Jesus! Give me that!
Mom, it's pretty. Let go. Let go.
Get the cat. Oh, 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 oh. Get him, man. Get him. Oh, God.
Oh, wait.
It'll warm up. It's okay. It's okay, Pip-Pip.
I didn't do it to you.
She just wants to lick your finger. Let her lick her fingers. Here, sticking room up her roof of her mouth.
We're two best friends that anyone can have, and we'll never, ever, 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 ever leave each other. Oh.
Melissa.
He got a new coat, and you didn't get a new coat, and you're pissed. That's just how life goes, kid.
He got you. Look at the guacamole. It's on the couch. Milo, that was not nice. Look at. Oh shit.
Yeah. Get him on
He's got the hiccups now.
Can you get him on this side? Look, he got it. Oh my God. That was so funny.
You having your little trouble? Oh. You okay? You okay?
It's okay. Say hi. Okay, let's go. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Come on. All right. Say goodbye.
Guys. Come on. Yes! I finally got him! Coco, she's being sweet to you. Coco, stop it.